Is there another financial crisis around the corner? September 2018 was the 10-year anniversary when the biggest and the oldest financial institutions in the US, like Lehman Brothers, filed for bankruptcy, and many other financial institutions went out of business. The US government had to step in and bail us out with billions of dollars to save us. Are you ready for the next financial crisis? I made a killing cleaning out foreclosures. Harvard is one of the most trusted institutions in the world, and in this article, they are predicting the next financial crash. In the article, they go through the four quadrants of the real estate market cycle: recovery, expansion, hypersupply, and recession. Warren Buffett, one of the top investors of all times, he says not only to survive the crash, but to profit from it. Let me show you how he does it. In this New York Times article, Buffett purchased 700 million shares of Bank of America stock for $5 billion during the last recession. Today it is worth $21 billion. And here's the article. Let me show you how he did it. I got really lucky and I worked for a group of investors. They were the first ones I heard talk about the different real estate markets. They are always gauging the real estate market. They were always ready for a crash or a booming market. When the market was booming, they were making money. When real estate was in the dumps, they were making money. When I stopped working for them, real estate was on fire, and I was making a killing as a real estate sales agent. The market shifted in 2006, and I started to feel the pinch. Because I had worked with these guys, I learned so many things from them. I instinctively knew that real estate was going to go into a recession. I did not expect the recession to be as bad as it was, but it was. I started a foreclosure cleanup business, and I made a killing. As the economy recovered in 2012, I aligned my foreclosure cleanup business with a growing economy. We started cleaning out new construction jobs and remodel jobs. A foreclosure home only has to be cleaned out once. A construction site needs to be cleaned out 2 or 3 times per week. Today, my company is ready for a booming market or a financial crisis. My company will thrive in any market. Let me show you how to do it.